Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website from scratch using Shopivana. And just hold on with me because this is a no-code platform and you don't need to be technically savvy so that you can create it. So all you have to do is go to shopivana.com, register yourself, and once you've registered, I'm going to show you the next steps. So I've gone to shopivana.com, I've already created my user, I'm going to log in, I'm going to press login here, put in my credentials, and once I put in my credentials, it takes me to the dashboard. Now, the easy step process is going to get started and following the 8-step process using which we can create the entire website. So all I'm now going to do is select my industry. In this case, for the example, I'm picking as shoes, and I'm going to put in all the company details like my company name, my brand name, which is the same, company description. So I'm just going to put in some sample text here, put in my address, any shop contact email that I might have, my personal mobile number or the shop contacts number. Now it will ask me for putting in a square logo as well as a wide logo. I put the square logo and then I put in my wide logo. After that, I can choose the theme color, and then my first step is complete. The next step is adding your social media links. So to add the social media links, I can add it like such. And once I've done that, I can press next. Now in this screen, what we are going to do is configure our shop and the way it functions. So let's say we want that somebody, when he adds something to the store, a floating cart should appear. So we just need to switch it on. At the cart, or when you're looking at a product, which button should be available? Should there be just an add to cart, or should there be a buy now and add to cart, or just buy now? So I'm going to select add to cart and buy now. I can even change the text of the cart button. So if I want, let's say rather than add to cart, it should be inquire or add to my basket, I can just put it like this. Similarly, at the checkout, instead of checkout button, it should say something else. We can configure it here as well. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then I'm going to press next. Now this is a very important step because here we can add the payment gateway details. Now what are payment gateway details? These are the payment gateways using which you actually get the people paying online for your products. If you want only a cash on delivery or only inquiry based, then you don't need to focus on this screen. But otherwise, if you want a cash on delivery and you want that option to be available to the customer, you can switch this on. If you want payment to be done by the customer on checkout, then you can switch this on as well as select the payment gateway. Now for the example's sake, I'm choosing Razorpay. But obviously you can choose it from Razorpay, Cashfree, Stripe, PayPal, and all the other payment gateways that you might have. So once I choose Razorpay, it will ask me for the payment gateway key as well as the secret key. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to razorpay.com. I've already logged in here, and out here I'm going to go to settings and then go to API keys, regenerate the key. And as you can see that this is my test mode, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how the life cycle works. And I'm going to put in the key here. And then I'm going to put the secret key right here. And it's that simple that you can actually connect Razorpay for online payments directly to the system. Once again, for these steps, there are individual, tutorials that you can refer to later on, and that's going to take you through each and every payment gateway and how to configure them individually. Now I'm going to go to the next screen. Here I can put in the standard shipping rate Now, standard shipping rate is the rate at which your goods are delivered to the customer. And if you have a free shipping above a certain amount, let's say if a customer shops for more than 10,000 rupees, the shipping is free, you can put in like such. Then I press next. Now, sixth step, being the most important step, in this step what we are going to do is we are going to upload the products that we have. So I can either add it with a grid, or I can do a bulk import, or I can add sample products so that I can see how the products are imported, or I can do it single. But for this video, what we are going to do is do it at bulk. Now this opens up another screen for importing products in bulk. So the first step is again downloading an empty template, which I'm not going to do, but this is basically an Excel sheet, an empty Excel sheet that you get so that you can populate the details of your products. I've already done that beforehand, and this is the Excel sheet which I've which I have filled in. And as you can see, for each and every product, I've got a product code, a name, a category of the product, the description, and the selling price and product price. Obviously, there are many more details that you can put in, but we are not going to go through that in this video. But this is the bare minimum details that you might require so that you can populate your products. Please note that this code is going to play a very important role in actually saving the photographs of the products, because they are looked up by the code itself, and we are going to take you through in the next step. So once I've populated the products in the empty template, I'm going to attach that sheet here, and I'm going to press start. This uploads my 24 products in the system. Next, I'm going to press continue. In this step, what we are going to do is upload the photographs of the products in bulk. Again, make sure that you read these things, because these are instructions of how to save the product code, or save the product photographs by the name of the code of the Excel sheet. So let's say we are talking about, let's say, this product, right? Now this is the name of the product. What we are going to show you is how this product is saved. So if I go here and if I search for this product, you'll see that this product has got 5 photographs. The first photograph is this one, because this is just by the name of the product. Then for other images, what we can do is we can save it as the product code, then a double underscore, and then a number, which is 2, now a double underscore 3, double underscore 4, and double underscore 5. Obviously, you can upload PNGs as well as JPGs to the system. What we are now going to do is click here, select all the photographs at once, and upload them. This instantly uploads all the products. We are just going to wait here. What's happening in the background is basically the system is uploading these product images, and then it is matching these images by the name of the image using the code of that Excel sheet. So a name of the photograph is matched up to this one, and the photographs are assigned to the products. You can do this individually one by one as well, but for this video we have done it in bulk. Once we've done that, we can press done, and we can review the products that we have uploaded here. And as you can see, all the products are uploaded. And then individually, I can go into this product and see the number of images uploaded for these products. We are going to close this tab, and we are back to a step-by-step process. Now I'm going to press next. And in this one, you're going to see that a default theme is shown to you. If you like what you see, then that's good. Otherwise, you can always generate a new theme. So I'm generating a new theme for, for my products, and I can see that this theme has been generated. I can try generating it again. Every time you press generate a new theme, this goes ahead in the back end and tries to generate a suitable theme for you. And the number of themes that are combinations are there are more than 1 million. So you can keep clicking on this button till the time you like what you see. And obviously, if you're a little more advanced user, what you can do is you can click on advanced settings and go and customize the theme even further. So I'm going to show that to you in a moment as well. So out here, what we have is this kind of a theme, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. So I then can go to advanced settings. And in the shop theme, I can further customize what we are looking at. So I can change the headers, the footers, the product cards, as well as the pages, what goes in the content of these pages, what goes in the contact form, and even the home, what goes ahead in this. And if you want to change the details of these, obviously you'd have to do that before we actually move on from there. Once you've done all that, I'm going to quickly come to the 7th step. This is where we were before. Once we are happy with what we are seeing, then what we can do is the last step, which is map your domain. Now, obviously, I advise that once you've actually created your website completely and you are happy with what you are seeing, that's when you go ahead and map your domain to your own domain. And once you've done that, your basic website is ready. I'm going to show you how the basic website functions. So as you can see that you've got a basic product detail. You've got all products, so I can list all my products here. If I click on one product, I can view it individually. I can view multiple photographs of this product. I can zoom into a product. As I can see that I've got add to cart as well as buy now that we had configured before. I can add a product to the cart. The floating cart appears here. I can go to related products. Let's say I like this product. I can click a related product. I can add that to cart as well. I can view the cart. I can press checkout. I am doing guest login. I can fill in my details. I can say pay on delivery or pay online. I'm going to choose pay online because it's configured with my test account. It's saying enter a valid mobile number because it wasn't 10 digits. And my payment gateway comes in. I can select a net banking, let's say. I can select a bank, pay, and obviously click success. And my entire shopping experience is now complete. Now, obviously, what I've shown you is a very, very basic website. You can always configure it further by going into the advanced settings in the previous step from here, or you can go in here and go to shop theme and configure what you want, how the details would appear and all that. Also, what you can do is you can play around with more videos in the tutorial section, and there are many, many settings and themes that you can actually configure and have a very, very detailed system control. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this entire thing was very useful, and hope to see you on Shopivana. Bye bye.